The differences between mainstream, let's just say, institutions to Aotearoa. When I was going to university, I was pretty much on my own.
Mainstream, it does seem, even from an outside perspective, that this is the way and that's it.
People who are embarking on study for the first time in ages, it's really daunting. I was nervous. I was so nervous about coming to the Wananga.
Coming back into tertiary level for me as an adult student, having left school at third form was really scary. But what I found that kept me grounded was the support that I got.
After the first day of the orientation in Porphyry, you just fit in, you belong with everybody else, including staff. It's wonderful.
I found the Wananga is so whānau orientated. The atmosphere, the environment itself, very friendly, very welcoming. The supports that are here as opposed to seeking support in another tertiary provider.
One of the things I love is from the top guys who run this place. I mean, they'll come up and say hello.
It's that type of environment, and it makes studying so much easier. You're not just another person that's walked in the door with 35, 40 other people.
I feel here like I belong, which is really important. I feel I'm not just a number. People know my name, and so I've got an identity here. And for me, that helps with the learning.
Everybody knows everybody and supports everybody through the whole transition, so it's all good.
No matter what part of what's going on in your life, there's someone that they just wrap around you. And even though the challenges, like, you know, in my personal life can be quite out there and large, that it may prevent me from doing something, they get around you and they wrap you up with the support, the care, the knowledge and the skills to be able to come out the other end.
Your tutors are like your aunties or uncle or mum and dad. Okay, so you're one of these, and they'll help you like as if we were one of these.
It's a wonderful idea. Now it's all part of being family and whānau again. Come together as one.
You're so sweet.
Well, that is true.
Sorry. All right.
It could sound like we're sort of mothered all the way through, but they expect you to take responsibility for your learning.
They go the extra mile here at the Wananga, and that's something that I found that kept me going to achieving the Bachelor in Social Work just last year.
Not only does this place give you the opportunity, but they'll give you the support, they'll give you the skills and the knowledge. You can't go far wrong. Yeah, I think go for it. Yeah.